How to restart the ABM CNC Quilter when it stops in a pattern. If the machine stops due to insufficient bobbin thread or thread break, what you need to do is go ahead and release the frame, remove the frame, do a bobbin change or rethread your machine properly. You want to then, if it's a bobbin change, hit the bobbin change button, reset the bobbin counter, tell it okay, re-enable the scanner, slide the frame underneath so you hear it beep. That means you have scanned the frame. Insert the frame into the machine, lock the frame using the frame button, hit the continue button in the center of the screen. The pattern has now come back up. If you need to back up to cover missed stitches, press the restart button and the machine will back up approximately 12 inches. If you need to back up further, you can press the restart button again. As you see, it will back up further. On the screen, there's a button that says No Sew. Press the No Sew button. That keeps it from sewing. Press the Start button. It will trace back through the pattern. When you get to the position you want to start, press the Stop button. Press the No Sew button again, and then press Start. You have now successfully completed restarting the machine.